Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically close like your face with emojis using the text tracking feature. So I'm just going to start here, and I'm going to select text and add in my default text, and I'm going to place it up here. I am also going to copy and paste an emoji, or use the keyboard here to add in an emoji, for instance like this frog one. Okay, maybe like select the text first and then add that in. Hold on, where did it go? Like this one, there we go. And then I'm going to just enlarge it a little bit, and I'm going to add it to the end. Then I'm going to use the tracking motion track, and then I'm going to select on the person's face for this, and I'm going to select direction both, and I'm going to turn off scale, and I'm going to press start. And that's it. It won't be accurate, as you can see here, because this person moves a lot, but if you're just covering it when they're like just talking or something like that, it won't be that hard. Another precise way to do it is using keyframes, but it does take longer, so just keep that in mind. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!